Wendy Pig, I have a surprise for you.
Again? Okay, what is it?
This.
Hiccup, hiccup.
Ha 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 ha, you did had a hiccups.
Oh my god. Wendy Pig, are you okay?
I am fine. Hiccup, 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 hiccup.
What happened?
Peppa Pig makes hiccups.
Oh, thank you for telling me. She's going so much trouble. Peppa Pig, get over here right now. Did you hiccup Wendy Pig? Tell me the truth.
Yes, I did hiccup my best friend Wendy Pig.
Oh. Peppa Pig, how dare you hiccup Wendy Pig, you know that. You are grounded for 7 septillion days. Go to your room right now.
Wow.